So I said in one of my previous videos about the dashboard storage box being broken. One, it doesn't click and stay closed anymore. And two, it doesn't spring open. And when it does open, it doesn't stay there. So I want to fix it because it's annoying and I want things to work properly. So when I went to remove it, I found underneath the rubber mat the end of the clip that should be connected to the lid. So I'm guessing I won't be fixing that back on. I can't imagine the glue will be strong enough, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. I've seen people fix it with screws before, maybe we'll give that a go. So I'm guessing I need to take these two screws out, and then I think it's just a couple of clips at the front. So I'll get a Torx driver out and give it a go. So I've taken them out. There's nothing more holding it in that I can see. So we'll see. Ah, there it goes. Be able to take it out. Well, that was easy. I think I might have found the problem. That spring shouldn't be sitting there, and neither should those bits of plastic. So I think what I'll do is have a look, see where this spring goes, see if I can refit it, see if I can get at least the lid to stay up. So I've also just seen that this clip is broken too, and looking at this hole, I imagine that this spring is probably going to go in here somewhere and tie into this somewhere, which is why it's fallen out. But I'll have a look, see what I can find, and see if I can refit it. So looking a bit closer at the unit, I think it's actually on this side is where it goes. So we can see on this hinge we've got the pinhole that just looks to come through here, and then we've got this kind of element here that looks like it's going to receive the spring just over the top here. And it would kind of make sense, because if I try and put it in, we can see the leg goes in there, and then it's under tension to get it around that main body, and to get it under tension, this top piece would need to sit up here. I'm not sure if you can see or not, but that whole piece is actually cracked and split and broken. I think you can just about see it moving now. So clearly it's not in the best state of repair, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to fix that really. We'll have a look, see what we can do, maybe get some super glue out or something, but I'm guessing for now I'll have to live with it, or maybe see if I want to buy a new one. But not ideal, but I'll also have a go if I can fix it, see if I can fix it. So unfortunately I think this one's a bit too past it. Having played with it and tried to fix it, it's way gone beyond repair. Everything's completely shot on it, the entire plastic moulding is wrecked. So I think for now what we'll do is just pop it back in. There's nothing worth trying to fix on here. Anything that I use any glue on is just going to come undone again. It's meant to be under pressure, so it will just pull it apart. Maybe I'll get a new one in the future, I'm not sure. I don't use it a lot, to be fair. Maybe I would do if it works, but for now I think we'll just pop it back in. So we'll just try and pop it back in. Just going to drop it in. That's it, simple as that. It's just got obviously those couple of locating pins. I'll put these screws back in, these ones here, and just put the mat back on. At least now, for now, it looks tidy enough. If it starts rattling, maybe I'll put some padding or something on there just to stop it vibrating. But yeah, unfortunately, 1-0 to the Giulietta. So for now, hopefully that's been useful to someone, if at the very least just to understand how to take it out. Obviously just a couple of retaining screws inside there, then just a couple of small clips. But yeah, for now, if you've liked it or if it's been useful in any way, shape or form, please hit the subscribe button, I think somewhere up here. It makes the world of difference to know that people are watching the videos and are actually liking them, want to come back for more. There's lots of other videos on the channel to show you how to do things on the car, and there's lots more coming up as well. So for now, bit of a shame we couldn't fix it, but we'll see you on the next one.